Alright boys, I've got the mighty Deus 2 out here. This video I am doing for Mr. Thomas Denkowski. You know, he owns a forum. I believe he has an engineering degree. He is a detectorist. I believe he works with at least one or more of the major manufacturers of metal detectors. Very knowledgeable gentleman, okay? And I'm going to put this video over there on his site because he was misled maybe by some videos I put on his forum. Okay, this is the HF2 coil made by XP. I and a few others in the United States have it. I believe the coil has actually made it into users' hands in Europe and some places, okay? This coil runs in single frequency from about 8.8 kilohertz all the way to 120. Now, you know, it's not every frequency in that span, but it gives you a wide selection. And this coil offers 3 different frequency ranges using multi-frequency. Now, when we look at a Manicore or an Equinox, the programs are named. And yes, you can use single frequency on those. Mr. Denkowski knows that. Well, this machine here, when I show videos, now we're over here in the fast program. All of the 3 multi-frequency bands can be used in all the modes on this machine, to include the beach modes, okay? So here's the shakedown on this thing. Frequency. That's the highest frequency in the lowest pair of transmitted frequencies, we'll call it 29 kilohertz, roughly. That is the next highest, 53 kilohertz. Now that may suggest, when you see that screen there, me doing a video, you may think, oh, I'm in 53 kilohertz single frequency. That's not true. I'm currently in multi-frequency right now. There's the 89. 17 kilohertz, I believe, is the lowest transmitted. 89 is the highest. Here it's 17, I believe, and maybe 53 the highest. Now, I'm not 1,000% certain of those lowest frequencies transmitted. That one there is 9 kilohertz and 29. Now, it does have frequency shift here to move around, you know. So the videos I put on Denkowski's forum, Mr. Denkowski, I'm pretty sure I was using multi-frequency using that coil, comparing it to the Manicore. Okay, now let me transition over here. There's the mono program. There's the single frequency. There's the single frequency. I'm stepping through the bands. Has several bands. And then if I go to shift here and come all the way over to channel 6, there's the 120. If I shift it all the way back down, there's the 8.8, and that's channel 0. That is going to conclude the video. I don't want any misunderstanding out there, but yeah, I was using multi-frequency.